Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Nari from Toca Boca. So let's get started. To draw cute Nari, let's first start by drawing a circle for her eye. So I'm going to come right here and start curve around to complete my circle. There. And now that we have this circle in, we're going to basically make it a Draw So Cute eye because we're only going to be able to see one eye with Nari here. So let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. There. And then from there, I'm just going to come on top of her eye and just draw a soft curve and then thicken it up for her brow. So now that we have that in, we're going to come to the side of her eye. So the top of her eye and come out about this wide. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve. So this is going to be the side of her hair right here. And then I'm just going to imagine as if we're drawing another eye. So we would come nice and wide. So say about right here. So then we'll give a little bit space just like the other side. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead about right here and draw the same curve as that. There, so just framing her face. Imagining there's another eye right here. But if you're more comfortable using a pencil, just go ahead and draw the other eye. But now that we have these two curves, I'm going to, let's see here, that's about long enough. About right here, I'm going to go ahead and round it in. So same thing here, just round it in. And then before I finish that, I'm just going to come back in here. And let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve all the way across for her face. So same thing here, just go all the way and connect everything. There. So like I said, if you're more comfortable, draw the other eye, and then I forgot to draw in the lips first, but we'll do that later. Everything is kind of messed up right now, right? Not the same order as usual. So now that we have that, let's go back up here, and I'm gonna go up, just curve right over the eye. And about right there, I'm going to stop and I'm going to come down with one big strand. So I'm going to come bring it down close to her eye. Let's say about right there. And I'm going to go up. And then we have another even bigger strand that's going to fill up this whole space that basically covers her eye. So you just want to make sure this is nice and big and covers this whole part right here. And bring it in. There. Okay, and then now we can go ahead. So this is our face. So our center is going to be about right here. I'm going to stop right here and draw a little drop nose. And then underneath that nose, I'll draw a little curve for a smile. And then cap it off right here. And there. Okay, so we have her face in. So now finally we can go ahead and we're going to finish this part up. Just going to bring it up. And same thing here. And bring it up. Okay, so now that we have that, from there I'm going to come back to the sides right here where her eyes are approximately. And I'm just going to draw a soft curve for indication of her ear. So I'll just drag that point across about right here. And draw the other ear about right here and curve in. Then from there, let's see here, we're going to go up, or we can start, you know what, let's go from here. I'm going to start like where her eyes are. So say about right here. I'm going to come out just a little bit. So same thing here, about right here. Give yourself some points. And from there, I'm going to go up nice and high to finish the top of her head. So let's go up with this big curve, this big dome-shaped curve. nice and high, say about right there. And I'm going to find my center before I finish that. So let's go up, right up above her nose and say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. That's my center. So I'm just imagining this curve going through. But before I finish that, I'm going to come using this as my guide. I'm going to go up, round this off and down for these two little points on the top of her head. So same thing here. So you just want to try to find the center so you know where that starts, and finish this curve up. Imagine it coming through about right here and bring it down just like the other side. And we're going to bring it back to that. So if you're using a pencil, definitely just draw in this big curve first and then put in those 2 points. Okay, so now that we have that, we can finally, we'll stop there for now. Let's go ahead and draw her body first. We're going to come to the center and draw a little neck right in the center. 2 little angle lines, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. I'm going to come out with a curve for her body, for her shoulders, I mean, and then bring it down at a slight angle. And down a little bit more. So it's basically just this top part. So say about right there. Go ahead and round it off and connect at the bottom. There. And then from there we can go ahead and draw her legs. So just straight down. So say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 lines and then cut it off. So I'll work on this side first, cut it off, and then we're going to round this part off and then just wobble your way across. And we're going to continue coming down. This part's going to come down a little bit more. And right here, we're going to curve for her boot and connect everything. And I'll just lightly add a line right here for a different color in her boot. So same thing on this side. I'm just going to follow the other side. Right there. Round it off and zigzag your way across and straight down. So go right across. There. Okay, so we have her feet in. And then now for her arms, we're going to come down on this side. Come down and say about right there. I'm going to stop, cut it off, and then right here she has this sleeve part. So I'm going to draw 2 small curves and then bring it in. And I'll add a little line right here and here. Then for her hands, I'm just going to draw this thumb and round it off. Then for the other hand, it's as if her hands are in the sleeve. So let's come down here. And I'm going to bring this out. So we want to end about the same area. So let's say about right here. I'm going to bring it in and then come out. Curve and then just connect it. There. Okay, so then now that we're done with her hands, let's go in for some details. So she has this little pocket right here. So we're going to come to the bottom right here, draw this big line across, long line across, and we're going to bring this pocket down. So if you're using a pencil, go ahead and just finish off this shape. But I need to draw the zipper. So I'm going to come about right here and draw this little oval shape. Then the tab for the zipper is going to come down all the way. This really big handle, and then right here, we're going to put a dot, and then we're going to go across right here. There, and then we go ahead and just finish our pocket. There, all done. And let's see here. You know what? Since it's kind of bare right here, I'm just going to add a heart right here before I forget to make her my draw so cute Nari. And then her hair. So let's bring this down. It's close to her ear. And just bring it in. So same thing here. And bring it in. Oh, and before I go, I forgot right here, we need to add another line for some detail. And then we're done. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you love how Nari here turned out from Toca Boca, and I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.